Hi everyone. So I just wanted to pop on here real quick because you'll see that I just outlined where that slide in card, where the gift card goes. Only I made a mistake going forward. I ended up putting two lines of double stick tape instead of one line of double stick tape. So I'll show you here in a moment. So basically you want to outline where the gift card holder slides in and out. And then you want to leave a little bit of wiggle room. That's why you only want one piece of tape. So the tape on the bottom is not a problem because you want the slider card on the inside to stop. So it doesn't matter how many pieces of tape you put there. But what I'm referring to is on the sides. You'll see that I lined two strips of tape right up against where I drew those pencil lines. Instead, just use one piece of tape or a skinny piece of tape on the outer edge, like where you see the handle. So instead of putting it right along the pencil line, space it out so that when you try to pull in the gift card holder in and out, it's not too tight. So hopefully that makes sense. I made one before, the first one, and it came out great, had a lot of wiggle room. And for whatever reason, I have bad allergies today, and I was totally spacing when I made this. Probably too many sneezes. Anyway, so I just wanted to let you know that so that you don't make the same mistake that I did, right? Because then it makes it too tight. You don't want that card to slide in and out too tight, or it's going to be hard to get that gift card in and out. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions below. So this is exactly where I'm referring is this piece of tape I'm putting here. I shouldn't have put it. It's just too close to where the gift card slides in and out. So you'll see that I'm putting a second row of tape. That's the tape that you want to place right on the edge of the card. So that very first piece of tape, don't even put it on there. Just put a piece of tape right along the edge so that you'll have that wiggle room that you need to be able to get that gift card in and out. So hopefully saying it while I'm showing it makes sense. So again, on this side of the card, I shouldn't have put the piece of tape that I just did. And this next piece of tape, that's the one that you're going to want to be putting right along the edge of where the handle is. And it will work out perfect for you. So what I'm doing here is I've got tape everywhere except for the handle. So this leaves us a perfect place and a little bit of wiggle room that you can move the paper and line up that handle perfectly. If that handle lines up perfectly, then the rest of the gift card lines up as well. You can see just how cute these turn out. And then I also want to mention that on the back of that card, you could write your sentiment, either handwrite or use your Cricut machine or your silhouette to write a sentiment as well. I hope you like the project and remember to create with love. Bye.